6, 9. A6, 9.
Hello there YouTube, today we have an upgrade for this AUS Lite space saver that we made a couple days ago, and this one is the version 1.2. The way you're looking at it now from the front, you can't really see how it's working. It's not mounted onto the wall, it's not mounted onto the desk, it's just sitting there, and it has a connection to the printer, connected to the printer toolless, and take it off the printer toolless, as I made the AUS Lite system itself toolless to pick up if you don't need it anymore. Or if you want to do any maintenance to it, it's also toolless. So I'm going to show you guys what the setup looks like from the side, the upper bit, and from the back. So stay tuned.
This video is sponsored by PCBcom, the world's go-to supplier for premium custom circuit boards. Tell us what you need, then let us design and manufacture your PCBs to the highest level. Low print runs and 24-hour turnarounds with assembly starting from just $5. Get an instant quote and join our online community at PCBcom.
So from the side, you can see the printer is being connected to the AUS Lite system space saver with this connector here. It's using the connection port that is on the back, which you actually use for the external spool holder, like this. So this connection here, this part that slides in, now actually is being used to connect to the AUS Lite system. And the other way to look at it, you have still this portion that is the AUS Lite system is sitting on, but it's shorter. It's around 5 to 7 centimeters shorter than the version 1. Other than that, these legs have bigger feet. You see on the left and the right, both have bigger feet, just to make sure that the stability is better. It just now sits on behind the printer. So still on the right side here, you still have space. On the left side, you have space. It's only space that is now limiting is on the back. Now, before it was on top of the gantry and sitting on the side here, so it was more of a space saving system. In case that some people don't trust the version 1, we have it version 1.2, which is this one. So let's print a test print with the AUS Lite system just to check how rigid the setup actually is, and let's talk about it afterwards. So the print came out really nice, as you guys have seen. We have printed the logo of our sponsor PCBcom, where you can get all kinds of PCBs and all kinds of 3D printing and other stuff. You just have to go and check their website. We designed this and printed in 15 minutes, so the printer actually did a really good job. The version 1.2 is a little bit different. This is actually an alternative version for the ones who didn't like the look of a version 1. So you have an alternative version that you can print and install in your printer. So without forgetting, I need to talk to you about these bolts that you have to use. So on the right side, you have two M5 by 40 millimeters, and on top of that, you have one M5 by 25, and underneath it here, you can see there are 8 M5 by 25, and on the left side here, you have two M5 by 25 as well. So in total, you have 9 M5 by 25 and 2 on this side here, M5 by 40 millimeters. And that's all you need, because this slides in here. For the rest, you don't need any more bolts, any extras whatsoever, and it should be doing its job. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, hit the thumbs down if you didn't like the video, subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content like this in the future. Bye!